All right, guys, we're gonna listen to this factory intake. First, we're gonna bring it up to 2,000 RPMs. Then we're gonna bring it up to 3,000 RPMs. And we're gonna finally move it up to 4,000 RPMs. Ready, go. 2,000. 3,000. Here's the after with the Volant intake at 2,000 RPMs, 3,000, and then 4,000. Let's see what it sounds like when we open it up. This one from a dead stop so you can see the RPMs and listen to the sound. All right, guys, so one of the biggest complaints about intakes just in general is the intake whistle. And that happens when the throttle body lets in fresh air, cold air into the manifold. And that's what the throttle body does. Throttle body's closed. When you hit the skinny pedal, it opens, right? Opens, lets cold air in. That's how the throttle body and the intake work. It's pretty simple. So sometimes when that throttle body opens, right, when you hit the gas pedal, throttle body opens, lets in cold air, you get a whistle, right? When it opens, it goes tss, tss. And some people don't like that whistle. So the TRD intake definitely has a whistle. The Volant intake does not have a whistle. And I kind of like the whistle, but some people don't. So let me see if you can hear this. No whistle at all. It's just like a rush of air as opposed to like a tss. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. I've ran a handful of intakes on 4Runners, Tacomas, so if you have any questions about what is more throaty, what's more deeper, what has an intake whistle, what doesn't, let me know. Leave me a comment below and I'll try to answer it to the best of my ability. But for the most part, I've ran TRD intakes, I've ran AFE intakes, I've ran K&N intakes, I've ran Volant intakes, I've paired all those with sprint boosters, pedal commanders, MagnaFlow exhaust, Borla exhaust. So I've seen a bunch of different combinations of all these parts kind of working together on 4Runners and Tacomas. So if you have any questions, let me know and I will answer that comment again to the best of my ability. All right, peace out, you guys. See you on the next one.